Can you solve this ACT math problem? Let me know the answer in the comments below. Let's go. Sum of an infinite geometric series, the first term a, common ratio r less than 1 is given by this formula. So the sum of a particular infinite geometric series is 200 and the common ratio is 0.15. So what is the second term? So the first step is we're going to see what are the givens and we're going to substitute them into the formula. So the sum of an infinite geometric series is equal to a divided by 1 minus r. A is the first term, 1 minus r is the common ratio. In this case, we have 0.15 is our common ratio. And just for our information's sake, the sum of a finite geometric sequence formula is given by this formula a in parentheses r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay? All right. So what are the givens? We are given that the sum is 200 and we have the common ratio r 0.15. So we are going to find the first term, okay, a or the first term. So let's go ahead and substitute that into the formula that's given to us. 200 equals a divided by 1 minus 0.15, which is the common ratio. So and a is the first term that we are trying to find. So we're going to try to isolate that, but before that we're going to simplify this. 1 minus 0.15 is 0.85. So I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply that and multiply that with the 200. Okay? And that will isolate the a or the first term and solve for that. So we get 200 times 0.85 and that is equal to 170. Okay? So now we have to get to the second term. So we know intuitively we multiply with the common ratio and we'll get to the second term, but let's see what the formula is so we can substitute into the formula. So the nth term formula of geometric series sequence is essentially given by the formula a is the first term, r is a common ratio n minus 1 and is the nth term that you're trying to find equals, so the a is 170, the first term is 100, just calculated that, times the common ratio is 0.15 and 2 minus 1, 2 is the second term we need to find, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that just gives us 170 times 0.15, which is multiplied by the common ratio, and when we calculate that we get 25.5, which is choice F out here, so which is going to be our final answer. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.